Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Costco executive membership rewards. For that, first of all, come here on costco.com and sign in into your account. Now click on the option of account here on the top, then click on the option of account settings. Now when you are inside your account settings section, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. Now over here, if you are the primary member on an executive membership, you are going to see your current 2% estimated rewards over here. You can also check the estimate through the Costco application. You can just simply open the menu, select the membership and take a look at the executive reward information. Now your reward is based on eligible purchases and it is approximately 2%, as it can be seen over here in this particular screenshot. So the annual reward is currently capped at $1,250. Just keep in mind that the amount showed online is an estimate and not the final reward, and Costco issues the actual 2% reward with your renewal statement approximately 2 or 3 months before your renewal date. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.